I'm Chris Everingham, rugby player, fitness coach, and avid traveller. I'm also half Filipino. I'm fascinated by those who have the courage to live life according to their passions. This series is about those people. They're the authors of their own life's adventures, and this is their story. When you mention Cebu City, the images that usually come to mind are beautiful beaches, colourful festivals, historical sites, and lots of food. These days, however, the city has a new vibrancy. There is a tangible electricity to the place, creating a brand new personality, style, and culture, solidifying Cebu as a new hub for creativity. Cattski Espina is a musician, record producer, and entrepreneur. Today she'll be showing me Cebu through her eyes. Okay, so Cattski, I hear that the area here, Cebu, is known for being a tourist destination for its beaches, but what else is here in Cebu?
I'd like to believe we're more than just our lechon and our beaches. The art scene is really sort of flourishing, and there's a lot of brilliant people making things with their hands, and furniture, and then there's visual art. We have a couple of art galleries that feature local stuff.
You know, you've been here most of your life. What have you seen change, or what's the transformation of the Cebu scene?
I'm glad you asked that, because in terms of when it comes, especially with music, we used to be known to be just doing rock. Now there's so many genres. There's jazz, trip hop. Recently there's a gospel pop band. It's amazing. I'm really proud to be part of this.
Well, I can tell. Definitely.
Yeah.
So now we're heading to your studio.
Yeah.
How did that come about?
Well, it was just a natural progression. Running a record label, we had limitations because we didn't have our own studio, and so we decided to, maybe it's time to expand and build our own recording studio, and we took the risk, and here we are. I'm taking you there.
I'm so excited to be here. The place looks magnificent. So in comparing before, say 10 years ago to now, what types of factors are driving the artist scene here in Cebu?
Well, the musicians or the artists, they're not doing it for the money. But here we just want to create, and it just went on. It started in the early 2000s where songwriting was up, radios were starting to play our music, and then we just get fulfillment from that. We never really get as much money. What I always tell people, we got the creativity down, but the financial, economic side of it, we're still working on it.
So where do you see the future of your community going?
And I always tell them, if you go somewhere to be a rock star somewhere else, how are you contributing to our own culture? So what we're trying to do here in Cebu is we want to create an environment where the artists themselves have opportunities here so that they don't have to go anywhere else. They can be rock stars in their own town, and it's no longer just some song made by your neighbor and recorded in your garage. It's gonna do a lot, and we're just starting. One musician at a time, one album at a time, one song at a time.
Beautiful, I love it. Cebu is definitely evolving. New restaurants, new bars, new hotels, new hangouts. All spearheaded by a generation of Cebuanos expressing themselves through their passions. Cattski's life and music is intertwined with this growing city. It has changed directions several times, letting go of old perceptions, opening up new paths, and is now beginning to tell its own unique story.